At the 2-bed buy-to-let in Selly Oak. This is actually the final week, so let's walk in. Wow, what a difference. A lick of paint and some new flooring, mate. So what I do is I'll try and find an old clip of what the place used to be like, just to give you an idea. New flooring's gone in, laminate flooring to sort of match the one in the second reception room. Canvas redecorated throughout. We're going to now repaint all the woodwork as well, because it's really sticking out. I'm not sure you can see here. Original colour against white walls. Some cracking of the wallpaper there, but unfortunately with this type of wallpaper, which is wood chip wallpaper, there's not a lot you can do. You either take it off, but you risk taking the whole wall off with it, and then it's plastering, repainting everything. Yeah, so far there is a pong in here still. The previous tenant had a pet, and the smell hasn't really gone, even though we've repainted the walls and we've removed the carpets and replaced the flooring. There is still a smell. So yeah, we're not sure what we can do about that. Second reception room. No lights in here, so this just needs a good clear out. Unfortunately, not much we can do with the painting there, unless it's all stripped down and repainted properly. Okay, second reception room. The door's been rehung, and Cam's rehung that door there as well. So the flooring's gone down in here. This is new lino. We asked for herringbone. This isn't herringbone, so I'm going to have to talk to carpet fitters about this, and there's some bubbling down there as well. Okay, so the tiles, in the end, we've repainted it. It looks, repainted tiles not the best, but it looks a lot better now than what it did before, and it's really cost effective. So yeah, it actually looks really good, considering the costs involved. Which is hardly anything, and also repainted all the strips as well. They were like a really dirty yellow. New extractor fans working. New lights are working, so this place looks a lot more well lit now. So originally, we really wanted to change all the sockets to chrome, but because of the design, it would just stick out. So we left it in the end, but you can see what the difference. It really stands out, doesn't it? Like an old socket on newly white painted walls really sticks out. And the same with the woodwork, and the same with radiators. They all will stick out. Cameras boxed the pipework in, slimmer scrub installed, fitted a new boiler. It still smells a bit in here as well. But I think it's been repainted, so it looks a lot more modern. I've asked Ken to come and clear up that. Cam's coming back to finish off the woodwork tomorrow, and then I think just finally remove this rubbish. And I've asked Helen to come and do a deep clean as well. Actually, I'll ask her to do a carpet clean as well, so she can bring a carpet cleaner. That's the bedroom. Yeah, it looks good. Cam started repainting the wood white up here. As you can see, so it doesn't stick out anymore. Whereas if you look down there, that's still yellow, and that's been repainted. So that's the difference. And these radiators, the original radiators, as you can see, it does stick out, doesn't it? Yellow, white. Okay, so previously there was some mold there. We've treated it and repainted it, and it hasn't seemed to come back. So we'll keep an eye on that, and if it comes back, then some of the brickwork outside might need repointing, or would need to investigate, and would need to investigate it. But so far, good signs, positive signs, and that it hasn't come back. Because potentially that could be quite expensive. So that's been closed off, and Imran's refitted a new socket there. So second reception room, again, everything's done. We need to remove this old carpeting and then replace it with the lino. Hopefully there's some cut off downstairs that we can use. I'll ask Cam to do that. But otherwise, yeah, straightforward room. And then the bathroom. So Tom from TNS has changed the flusher. Imran has changed the lights. So now it's illuminated and you can properly see everything. We've also changed the extractor fan, so now it's working. Because there was, the previous tenant here, there was a lot of mold up there. We've treated that as well. Need to check to make sure that that actually goes up on there. Okay, but otherwise, yeah, the bathroom was absolutely fine. I think, let's have a look. Yeah, so Ken was just come and clean that up and clear it as well. And if you don't know me already, my name's Nguyen. We're let to manage high quality HMOs and single Lets in and around Birmingham from Sentinel Lettings. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.